Yeah, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to talk about checkboxes in Android. So without wasting time, let's just get started with it. To create a checkbox in XML, we take a widget called checkbox. I'm gonna keep a wrap content for both width and height. I'll give ID of tuna. Text will be tuna, and okay, yeah. And now let's give constraint to it. I'm gonna give top constraint under this radio group and constraint left to here, and in design let's just okay 64. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. Now let's take another checkbox. I'm just gonna copy it, and the ID will be bacon, and text will be bacon. And instead of start, let's go to design again, and instead of start, I'm just gonna give left constraint to here, and the space between them would be 64 dp. Yeah, that's fine. Let's just give top margin as well, about 16 dp to both the checkboxes. Yeah, so now we have two checkboxes, tuna and bacon. And let's take a text view under this button. Just we don't want to toast every time we do something on the screen, so let's just take a text view here. Wrap content ID will be text view TV, and text will be just for now. I'm just gonna write sample and go to design again, select text view, and I'm gonna give I'm gonna give top constraint to this button, and both side of the right and left constraint to parent, and the margin top will be 32. Yeah, so this is where our text will be placed. Now let's go to main activity.kt Kotlin file. First we have to initialize the fields that we have created. So first is bacon checkbox of so checkbox equals to find view by id and dot id dot bacon. Then we have tuna type of checkbox, find view by id r dot id dot tuna. Then we have text view of type text view, find view by id r dot id dot text view tv. Yeah, now let me just remove this toast. We don't want to show the toast here. And yeah, so bacon will have will assign if the bacon checkbox is checked, then we'll take the value we'll take the value in boolean if true or false. If it is checked, it will return true, and if it's not checked, it will return false. So, and we'll take that value in a variable. For tuna checkbox, I'm just gonna take a variable called t tuna dot is checked. So if tuna is checked, t will be true, otherwise t will be false. The same way, let's create a variable for bacon, which is bacon dot is checked. Now let's just write in the text view tv.text equals to I'm gonna write a whole sentence inside a double quote. You are sex dot text. You are either male or female, and you have ordered. Now inside this we have to check for the condition. If t is true, if tuna is checked, will display tuna, and if bacon is checked, will display bacon. So we'll write if condition. So dollar braces, and if bacon is checked, and if p is true, we'll simply write bacon, else just written null string, empty string. And we have to give this in brace plus to concatenate. Actually we don't have to concatenate, and let's actually break this outside the string, so it's more clear. Plus we will remove these braces. Yeah, so if b is true, if bacon is checked, we'll write bacon, and if tuna is checked or t is true, we'll return tuna. Else, if else means if t is false, just return an empty string. So now let's run our application on emulator, and I'll see you at the end of this run. So now let's just select male and let me order tuna. So you are male and you have ordered tuna, and now let's just select tuna and bacon both. You have ordered bacon tuna. So yeah, that's how you and let's just unselect tuna, and yeah, bacon, and let's just select female. You are female and you have ordered bacon. So yeah, that's how you play with the checkbox and the radio button in Android. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.